Welcome to this channel that is dedicated for the civil services examination and other competitive examination. My name is Muhammad Firoz Ahmed, and today we will discuss about the some terms that are interchangeably utilized in geography. Or we can say that sometimes we use the word or the term in a different meaning in the context, but its meaning and its real context is different. And basically it is utilized in the field of geography. The first term that is very commonly utilized interchangeably is region, area, place, space, as well as the gore and the zone. All these terms have their different meanings and their different context. If we first discuss about the meaning of region, it indicates about a certain geographical areas. A formal region is those geographical areas which has their homogeneous characteristics in terms of their homogeneous geographical features. Either if it is formal natural region, if there is the homogeneous natural characteristics in terms of the temperature, pressure, in terms of the other indicators like the homogeneous weather and climatic elements, the homogeneous soil, homogeneous natural vegetation, then we can say that these are the term regions or the geographical regions are utilized for, especially in context of formal geographical regions. However, sometimes we utilize area with the region also. Area has the different meaning. Area means those geographical entities which have any kinds of length, width and geographical dimensions. If any geographical portion of land or any geographical entities which has the width, the length or any geographical dimensions having geometric characteristics, that is called as the area. Area cannot be interchangeably utilized for the region. If only those areas which have some homogeneous features in terms of homogeneity, of elements, then we can say that this area is changes are converted into the region. Another term that is also utilized in general word or in general languages or in general context, that is known as the place space also. We cannot say that space is the place or the place is the region or the region is the area. Space generally shows about the any geographical phenomenon or the geographical areas or the geographical entities which have some three-dimensional activities or the three-dimensional characteristics. Spaces are generally produced by the human activities. Spaces are generally constructed by the human activities or the sense of the human interconnectedness or the human features or the any areas. Somehow we can say that any geographical region which have some spatial notions or spatiality, simply we can say that human activities that are going on or the human beings are produce that kinds of the social spaces by their activities, by their interconnectedness. So spaces are having three-dimensional features. Spaces are generally constructed, produced and evolved. However, place is another word that are interchangeably utilized in context of space or the region. Place have a very definite contextual and emotional meaning also. Not all the geographical area, not all the spaces or the region can be called as the place. Place is for the meaning of the persons who are living and utilizing the any geographical entities by themselves. For example, if I have been emotionally attached to the geographical areas, if I have some experienced or the shared experiences, or we have the sense of belongingness, if we have the intentionalities towards the certain aerial context, and we are attached and emotionally carved out that kind of the places or that kind of the geographical areas, then we can say that we are place rootedness, or we are having the place identity, or we are producing, or we are attaching with the place. So the place is the emotional concept, psychological concept. Place indicates about the sense of attachment to the geographical area. Place has the meaning, a particular meaning to those persons who are living with their own experiences to the geographical area. Then we can say that the geographical entities are converted into the place. In other elements, geographical entities that are interchangeably utilized is the term zone. Zone indicates about the geographical area of having two respective latitudes. अगर दो लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच में जो जोग्राफिकल एरिया है, जो रीजन है, जो जोग्राफिकल जो एंटिटीज है दो रिस्पेक्टिव लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच में, जैसे 0 से 1 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच में जो जोग्राफिकल एरिया आएगा, द एरिया बिटवीन द 0 to 1 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड्स, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द जोनल एरियाज और द जोन. Thou, Gore indicates about the geographical area between the two different longitudes. दो longitudes के बीच में जो एरिया है, वो जो आता है, जो एरिया दो longitudes के बीच में है, वो गोर कहलाता है. दो लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच में रिस्पेक्टिव डिस्टेंसेस को जोन कहते हैं. जोग्राफिकल एरिया जहां पे लोग अपने आप को अटैच्ड फील करते हैं, इमोशनली अटैच होते हैं और इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंसेस के द्वारा कार्व्ड आउट करते हैं, ऐसे एरियाज को हम प्लेस कहते हैं. और तो जोग्राफिकल एरिया ऐसे जोग्राफिकल एंटिटीज को कहते हैं जिसका कोई लेंथ हो, विड्थ हो और ज्योमेट्रिकल डायमेंशंस हो. सारे जोग्राफिकल एरियाज जो है, अगर उसका ज्योमेट्रिकल एस्पेक्ट्स नहीं है, ज्योमेट्रिकल डायमेंशंस नहीं है, तो वो एरिया कहना सही नहीं रहे. दूसरी जानिब ऑल दोज लार्जर जोग्राफिकल एरिया, बहुत बड़ा भूभाग हो, बहुत बड़ा जोग्राफिकल एरियाज हो, जिसके अंदर कोई ना कोई जोग्राफिकल एलिमेंट्स में होमोजीनस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाए जाते हों, जहां पे फिनोमेना एक दूसरे से एसोसिएटेड हो, जहां पे एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटीज हो और वो दूसरे जोग्राफिकल एरिया से अलग हो, इस तरह के लार्जर जोग्राफिकल एरियाज को हम रीजन कहते हैं, फॉर्मल रीजन कहते हैं. और साथ ही साथ स्पेस जोग्राफिकल एरियाज और स्पेशियल एंटिटीज जो है वो प्रोडक्शन में आती है, वो प्रोड्यूस की जाती है. लोग अपने आर्थिक, सामाजिक, सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज के द्वारा लैंड के साथ अटैच होते हुए या लैंड के ऊपर या जोग्राफिकल एरियाज पे ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज अगर एक साथ अगर परसीव की जाए, तो इस तरह के परसीव्ड जोग्राफिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन को हम स्पेस कहते हैं. और साथ ही इस चैनल पे और इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और इस चैनल पे बने रहिए. और ज्योग्राफी के बहुत सारे ऐसे कंसेप्ट हैं जो कोर कंसेप्ट हैं, वी विल डिस्कस अगेन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स अ लॉट.